Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or discussing with you the best UK car insurance for new drivers. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you're looking for the best car insurance out there, well, this one will be kind of complicated. Now, each driver has their own specific needs and their preferences here. Now, depending on what you actually need and what you are expecting from insurance, well, it may be different. So that's why doing your own research and finding the correct one is something really important. So the first option, or the first recommended one that you may want to try here, is going to be Hastings Direct. Now, specifically their U Drive policy. Now, this is widely considered as one of the best overall option for a new driver because it fixes the most annoying part of traditional telematics. Now, instead of having an engineer hardwire a clunky black box into your car's dashboard, they just mail you a tiny wireless tab that sticks to your windscreen and pairs seamlessly with an app on your phone. Now, they don't enforce any rigid nighttime curfews or night mileages limits here. They use your weekly driving data to lower your price right from day one and give you highly competitive rates when renewal time rolls around. Now, next is we have Admiral. Now, Admiral here, which is an absolute powerhouse if you live with your family or a partner here. They are famous for their multi-car policy, so if you bundle your new car onto a policy alongside the other vehicles in your household, their system automatically knocks a massive chunk off the premium for everyone. So even if you choose their standalone new driver plans, you get the security of backing by one of the largest and highest rated claims networks in the UK, making them a very safe, stable household brand to start your driving history with. Now, if you are let's just say a younger driver, or you are still holding a provisional license, well, you definitely want to look at Marmalade here. Now, they are a dedicated specialist that focuses entirely on learner and new drivers. So their standout feature is a unique standalone named driver policy. Now, it allows you to get fully comprehensive coverage to drive a parent's car, but it operates on its own completely separate financial layer. Now, this means you can practice or commute as much as you want, and even if you have the accidental scrape here, your parents' precious no claims discount remains completely untouched. And finally, we have the, in this case, if you're a new UK resident here who has just moved to the country from abroad, well, Marshmallow here is hands down your best bet. So the traditional UK insurers completely ignore any driving experience you have outside of the UK. So meaning they treat you like a standard 17-year-old rookie and change you, or in this case, they change you and charge you an absolute fortune. Now, Marshmallow's algorithm here is specifically built to evaluate your international driving history and claims record from your home country, allowing them to hand you a much fairer, massively discounted rate that traditional higher or high street brands just can't match here. So, if you want a seamlessly app-based tracking with zero curfews, well, in this case, you may want to try checking Hastings Direct. Now, if you are sharing a household with other vehicles, well, in this case, run a quote with Admiral. Now, if you are a learner trying to protect your parents' record, well, look at Marmalade. And if you just arrived in the UK from overseas, Marshmallow here is going to be a clear window or a clear winner. But that's about it. So, if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.